NASA's A-Room, a huge vacuum-free thermal imaging chamber located at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, is now ready to perform final optical tests at the NASA Space Telescope James Webb Telescope, the largest space observatory ever. A national landmark, Chamber A is famous for being used to test Apollo's lunar mission hardware, including the same-sighted astronauts inside the chamber from time to time. In order to test Webb before launch, the camera had to undergo major improvements in recent years. Of Camera A were carried out by engineers and technicians at the NASA Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, and the NASA Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, including his contractor teammates, especially Jacobs Engineering and Harris Corporation. Some changes were made to the camera and installation of the surroundings, and others were made for the design, construction and installation of test equipment. In this partnership, Johnson will operate the camera and Goddard will run the test. Paul Geithner, the project manager, Technical Space Telescope James Webb. "We have staged several tests of everything, so we know all the works before using it this summer to test the flight hardware, which is the telescope plus the Integrated Science Instrument Module." Webb Telescope and ISIM Integrated Science Instrument Module are two of the three main elements that make up the Webb Observatory telescope flight system. The other is the Space Shuttle Element Shuttle spacecraft and Sunshade, which is currently under construction at Northrop Grumman and GA Aerospace Systems in Redondo Beach, California. With the improvements needed to test the Webb telescope finally complete, the A camera is now the largest high-vacuum camera, cryogenic optical test in the world. It is 55 feet 16.8 meters in diameter by 90 feet 27.4 meters in height. The main door is only 40 feet in diameter 12.2 meters, weighs 40 tons, and opens and closes hydraulically.